towel, and a Spyderco. Sage 5 lightweight. Rex 121. Ooh. Hey, I like these grippy scales. This is sweet. So yeah, this is the Sage 5 lightweight. The burnt orange FRN scales, fiberglass reinforced nylon. Got our compression lock, and yeah, it's nice snappy flicking action. Got a 3-inch blade and a 7.13 inch overall length. Rex 121 blade steel. It's a nice, small, handy size. A nice satin finish on the blade. Very cool. It's got very nice, smooth action. Flicks easy. Compression lock. That lock works really good. It says Spyderco Sage right there in the middle of the scale. This thing's been pretty cool to carry around so far. Been enjoying it. Also got the Sage 6 recently, about the same time. It's a button actuated compression lock. Like black, was it carbon fiber G10 ply or whatever scales. Feel pretty good. Action's good on this one too. It's the S30V variation. They have a S90V one out there also. I'm fine with S30. Nothing wrong with it. I carried both of these at the same time for about 4 or 5 days. Just kind of compare them, even though there's very little difference besides the locking mechanism, which is the same thing, just one has a button on the scale to open and close it. The button for me has a little bit of different feel to it, but it works pretty good. You just kind of get that convenience of a button right there to press instead of kind of moving your hand around to use the compression lock. So I definitely enjoy having both of these in the collection now. I think for me the regular compression lock feels maybe a little bit better just because I'm used to it. I've never had any issues with that. Maybe you can just push and release it harder. I don't know. Detent feels a little bit better without the button lock, but that's kind of just a Spyderco thing probably. They're all a tiny bit different. Nothing against the Sage 6 though, it's awesome. Really like the texture on the lightweight. Texture's fine on that too. It's just not as grippy on the Sage 6. Both have really good action. Nothing to really complain about. I had a pair of 3 for a little while that I never really carried. For some reason, I definitely like these a lot better. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the blade shape or size. I don't know. Something about them I like a little better than the pair of 3. And just a little overview and comparison of these two. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.